So this is how to make chainsaw melon. First, take a melon and take a chainsaw. Make it just and do this. Take melon, yeah, like that, and yours or me. Yeah, like that. To do this, okay? Do this. And if you want to blend it, I just make it and do that, okay? You don't know how to make blood if you do that, okay? Just make any size you want. Until like that. Now you have chainsaw melon. You can activate anytime. And you can even do the head. But you have to to do that. Yeah, you can turn on that. Whatever you want. So, I will just... Bruh, what? I really hate that bone crack so much. Crack. Another